Hello, this is my physics demonstration 2, and I chose to do optic, and basically, optic is just the study of light and its behavior and its properties, basically. And yeah, so I'm just gonna tell you what I chose to do with my project and what it's supposed to do. So here I have a clear glass filled with water, a little bit underneath half, and then I have just a white piece of paper that says physics 2 on it. So basically how the experiment's supposed to work is that I'm supposed to put this glass of water onto the, the words physics 2, and it's supposed to magnify it, or basically where it's supposed to look bigger and more clear to see, almost like glasses or something like that. Yeah, that's a good example, like glasses. So yeah, almost like glasses. And basically, yeah, it's supposed to almost look like, yeah. So I could just probably demonstrate it. As I don't know if you can see clearly, but as you can see, it says physics, and then when I put it in, it looks magnified like a magnifying glass. And this is due to refraction. And refraction is just basically a fancy word for just saying bending light. So basically, when light passes from one material to another, it changes speed and direction. And then this bending effect is what we call refraction, which is this right here. It's this right here. So yeah, so the surface of the water is basically acting like a magnifying glass, kind of. And yeah, and so there's like different ways on how this works. Like for example, when I was doing my research, one effect was called the convex lens effect. And basically, to summarize it in my own words, this is when the water in the container bends the light rays inward, making the text look larger, which, as you can see right here. And then this is similar to, like I said, like a magnifying glass, where, in school they'll take a magnifying glass and you look at a word and it will look bigger and more clear to see. And then the other thing was that I researched was light bending. And basically, as light enters the water, it slows down and bends, and when it exits, it speeds up and bends again. And then basically, this bending makes the light rays converge, magnifying the text, as you can see right here and right here. I don't know if you can see that clearly. Here, maybe I can turn it around like this. See if you can, or maybe I'm trying to see if you can see it. But basically, just magnifies. Basically just magnifies the glass, and yeah, that's about all it really. I mean, I explained exactly what it was supposed to do, and I used physics terminology, which was the convex lens effect, and then light bending, and yeah, and I provided examples, and I think that's about all it. Here, what I could do is I could probably like show you how it's. See, as you can see here, I'm just trying to show you real quick. So you see it says physics, and then you take it off, and you see how it got bigger. You take it off again, and it got bigger. Same thing for the 2, got slightly bigger. Physics, yeah. And that's about all it for the optic demonstration.